Hello everyone, this is Prabha Singh. I welcome to you in Splendid English classes. In this video, we are going to talking about some important words which will be important for your English speaking also. In this video, we are going to talking about that. Sometimes we always say खींचना, खरोंचना, घसीटना, like these kinds of words we always use in our daily life also. And sometimes we are using these kinds of words for our children because when you will see they always do mischiefs. Okay, so they always play games and sometimes they are spreading everything. Sometimes they are playing with the toys and they are spreading here, okay, on the floor, on the bed. So which kind of word you will use? And so let's get started. Our first word is here scrape up. Scrape up का मतलब होता है इकट्ठा करना. Okay, when you will see that your children are playing with toys and they are spreading everywhere, so you will give this, you can use this word for that. Please scrape up your old toys. Scrape up your old toys. Second word is here scribble. Scribbles means क्या होता है? Sometime when you will see just a little childrens, they are playing on the wall. दीवार पर वो खरोंच सी लगाते रहते हैं, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? स्क्रिबल. प्लीज़ डोंट स्क्रिबल ऑन द वॉल. ठीक है, स्क्रिबल का मतलब ये भी होता है कि ऐसी राइटिंग जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही, कागज़ पर काटा पीटी जो करते हैं जो लोग, उसको हम स्क्रिबल बोलते हैं. प्लीज़ डोंट स्क्रिबल ऑन द वॉल. ओके, स्क्रैप अप मतलब होता है कि इकट्ठा करना. स्क्रिबल मतलब होता है कि घसीट लगाना. समटाइम यू विल सी to your children, if someone is doing this kinds of activity in front of you, you can use this word for that person. Not that will be person, because this is related to children's. Yes, this word you can connect with that person whose writing is not good. Scribble, you can use that word, that your writing is so much scribble, but when you will use with to your children, obviously it will be good. Third word is here pull. Pull means क्या होता है? खींचना. Pull out also you can use. पुल आउट मीन्स क्या? पुल आउट मतलब खींचना, या फिर पुल मतलब आप पुल भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. पुल आउट, प्लीज़ पुल आउट, खींचो. पुल आउट मतलब खींचो. ओके, फोर्थ वर्ड इज हियर स्केप. स्केप मतलब स्क्रैप मतलब क्या होता है? खरोंचना. स्क्रैप मतलब क्या होता है? खरोंचना. ऐसे समटाइम देखोगे, एक स्क्रिबल होता है, घसीटना बोलते हैं, जो घसीट लगाते हैं. खरोंचना होता है, खरोंच को आप समझते हो, उसको स्क्रैप बोला जाता है. उसके बाद है रब अप. रब अप. रब अप का मतलब क्या होता है? रगड़ना. रब अप मतलब रगड़ना. ओके, प्लीज़ डोंट दिस टावल rub on your face. This word you can also connect with that if you are rubbing to your face with towels, so you can use this word rub. I'm rubbing my face. Okay, and rub off. Rub off का मतलब क्या होता है? घिस जाना, घिसना. This word you can connect with erasers, because when you will see, if you are erasing on your notebook, then you will see after some time that is rubbing off, मतलब वो घिस रही है. तो so you can connect this word rub off. Okay, and next word is here glean. Glean you can say बटोरना. Glean बटोरना होता है. Sometime if you will see that बच्चे कुछ खा रहे हैं, मतलब pulses होती है. This word we can connect with pulses also. Sugar also, if you have sugar in your hands and you have spread on everywhere, so you can say this order, please glean to this sugar, यानी कि चीनी को बटोरो. ओके, बटोरने के लिए आप इसको यूज़ करोगे. थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू हैव एंजॉयड टू दिस वीडियो, आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड एंड यू हैव लर्न into 5 or 6 words which you can use in your daily life also. And if something is doing and someone is doing in front of you this kinds of activity, you can give order to them. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed.